In this video, I'll show you how to create an animated envelope invitation in Canva. You can use this for wedding invitations, birthday cards, or even social media posts. So let's get started. All right, first, open the size you want to work with. I'll search for Instagram and choose this size. You can use any size you like. Now, let's add an envelope. Go to Elements and search for Envelope. You can explore graphics or photos. I'll open Photos and find the good one. I'll pick this one for the design. Now we need an open version of the same envelope. Try to find a similar one. I think this looks similar. The color looks different, so let's adjust it to match the other one. Now looks similar. Next, place the open version above the closed one, then right-click and send it backward. Now, crop it like this to hide part of it and rotate it slightly. Next, let's add a seal to make it look more realistic. Go to Elements, search for Envelope Seal, pick one you like, resize it, and place it on the envelope. Now, let's work on the background. Let's search for a floral background. Let's try this one. It doesn't look good. Let's find a good one. I'll just use a solid color and add small floral elements in the corners. Now, duplicate the page. On this page, remove the closed envelope and keep only the open version visible. Move the seal to the top and send any background elements behind envelope. Now we need to separate the front part of the envelope. Select the envelope, click on Edit, then open Magic Grab from the tools. This tool allows you to separate different parts of an image easily. Sometimes Canva detects the object automatically, but if not, you can use the brush tool to select the front part of the envelope manually. Once selected, click Grab, and as you can see, the envelope is now separated into two parts. Next, let's add the invitation card. Search for a paper, choose one you like, then resize and position it properly. Now, add your text on the card. Write your message, change the font to something suitable, and adjust the spacing and position to make it look clean. Then, add the message. Once everything looks good, select all the text and the paper and group them together so it behaves like a single card. Now, move this card behind the front part of the envelope so it looks like it's placed inside. Next, duplicate the page again. On this page, move the card upward so it becomes fully visible outside the envelope. Now, click on the transition between the pages and select Match and Move. Set the duration to around 1 second for a smooth animation. I'm not adding any transition between the first and second page, so the envelope opened directly, but you can add one if you want. Now, adjust the timing of each page. I'll set them to 2 seconds and make the last page slightly longer so viewers can clearly read the message. Let's preview the animation to see how it looks. It's looked great. Now, if you want the card to slide back into the envelope at the end, just duplicate the second page and move it to the end, then apply the same Match and Move transition. After that, duplicate the first page, move it to the end, and remove the transition to complete the loop. And just like that, your animated digital invitation is ready. So, that's how you can create an animated envelope invitation in Canva. You can customize this design for any event or occasion you want. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.